Language, words, concepts, logic are great tool. They are great communication device. They are great survival tool. They are what have enabled humans to work together, to share knowledge, to communicate with each other, to survive and to prosper. However, we humans have become so attached to words, so attached to labels, so attached to definition and language that we have forgotten how to just be, how to rest, how to relax, how to be self, how to be quiet, how to be peaceful. We have become great at surviving, we have become great at survival, but we have forgotten how to live. Spirituality, meditation is the search of that lost value, that lost mode of being. It is the search of silence, it is the search of quietness, it is search of peace inside you. We have become so obsessed with words, so obsessed with labels, that even silence, even peace, even the end of words, we have started labeling, we have started defining. Other than humans, almost entire nature, almost all creatures, almost all animals already live in that world, already live in that unity, that connectedness, that peace, that joy. Only humans are so lost into our heads, our mind, that we cannot keep quiet even for a second, even from a fraction of a second. We can neither be quiet outside nor inside. We have become obsessed with words. If accidentally, or due to grace, or due to some other reason, one of us become quiet, become silent, we start worrying, we start thinking there must be something wrong with him or her. We start treating them. We think they have gone mad because we just cannot tolerate silence. But that silence, that inner peace, that end of words, that end of concept is the only real spirituality, is only real meditation. No matter how many books you read, no matter how many words you hear or remember, without silence, there is no spirituality.